video. If you are new, welcome. Thank you guys so much for being here. And if you are not new, welcome back. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a nice summertime video. I know I already did one like this, but I want to switch it up and do another one that's really bright and really bold. So that's what today's video is going to be on. If you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do so. Also hit that notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a video. I will have a little clip over here to show you guys how to do that. Make sure you hit all when you want to get all the notifications, not just occasionally. You don't want to get occasional. You don't want to get some of the videos. You want to get all my videos, all my notifications. So make sure that you hit all. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video.
I love my body. I love my skin.
Got my new it today. In today's video, I will be featuring my new what month is this? June. Okay. June Ipsy bag. You guys know I do have an Ipsy subscription. I've had it for about, I'll say since about October, if I'm not mistaken. Either October or September. And I've really been loving what they've been giving me so far. Good job, Ipsy, because I've really been liking this stuff. So that's what I'm going to do and use today. So in today's Ipsy bag, I did get some lip products. I got some eye products, and I also had some skin products, and of course a little hand cream because I love hand cream. But in today's Ipsy bag, I got a juicy, what is this? This is Jersey Shore Cosmetics. This is a moisturizing lip balm. So I'm gonna go ahead with that and try this out. I did use it yesterday when I first got it in my bag. I got this about 2 or 3 months ago, and I've been getting too much life.
It's your life! Get it?
Hi! Naked Cosmetics lip scrub. This is the vanilla cream lip scrub, and I really like this one. And right into my Ipsy bag, I'm going to take the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer. This is a base hydrating primer. I love hydrating primers, so I'm really glad that they sent me this kind. So next I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Step 1 Equalizing Face Primer. This is the hydrating primer. I'm really glad that they sent me this one because I do have dry skin. So first impressions on the primer, I will definitely say that it's really, I can definitely feel the moisture into my skin. I don't really see a huge difference, but I definitely feel a difference in my skin. I really like it. I'm going to play with it a little more and tell you how I like it later on in another video. But so far so good. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline SuperStay foundation. This is in the color Truffle. So I'm just dabbing the foundation all over my face just to give me maximum coverage. I like to spread it out instead of just like going in and brushing. Then I'm going to go in with my EcoTool brush and just blend her out. I'm not sure what Instagram page it was that they came out with a foundation SuperStay stick from Maybelline, and I really want to try it out because if it's anything like this one, you know, I want to love it. But to me, foundation sticks can sometimes be really greasy and really oily, and I don't got no time for that because I don't need my makeup slipping, especially in this southern heat. I'm going to go ahead and contour. I'm going to use my Black Opal True Color foundation stick, and this is in the color Ebony Brown. For concealer, I'm going to go into my Colourpop No Filter concealer. I am going to be getting the foundation, the powder, and the pressed powder. I just haven't gotten around to getting it yet, but I will get it. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take the concealer, and this is in the color Dark 40. Power Setting Powder. This is the yellow powder. You guys know that I love to powder my entire face, but sometimes I really have to tread lightly with this powder because even though it is yellow, it's a really bright yellow, but I have really dark skin. And sometimes if I do too much powder, it can definitely look a little crazy on me. So I've just been going real light with the powder. It may look intense on camera sometimes, but trust me, in person it's not that intense. So next I'm going to go in, I'm going to set my entire face, and I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match powder. And this is in the color Cocoa. I like to use this powder sometimes when I want a softer look. Like, I want to be beat, but I don't want to be too like to wipe away powders, just to set and give your face the overall like really nice type of look. So I'm definitely going to go in and prime my eyes with the Colourpop, that same Colourpop concealer. And I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and a little brush and just use her to run through. I like to use this to prime my eyes because I feel like it dries a little faster and it's definitely a little more tacky and it allows the eyeshadow to hold a little better. For a transition color, I'm going to go into my box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use the lime green color. I'm just going to use that as a transition color because we are doing some bright colors today. So I'm going to put that right in the transition area. And the reason why I'm using a fluffy brush because I kind of want that diffused look. I want it to be really blown out. So don't be alarmed. I know it looks crazy, but I kind of want that look right now. So on top of that, I'm going to use a lot of yellow. I'm going to really swirl my brush into there. And I'm going to put that on top of the lime green color. So next I'm going to go in with that orange color and I'm going to put that all over my lid. So I don't really know where I'm going with this look, but I do want to put a little bit of orange. So I'm going to go into my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to take a bright orange. I'm going to take a blending brush and just blend the yellow into the orange. And I kind of want to put a little red, but I'm going to use the red from the box of Crayons palette. And I'm just going to swirl my brush in there. So next I'm going to go into my Beauty Bakerie Coffee and Cocoa palette and I'm just going to use the bronzer and also the blush. Next, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm gonna use the Kiss Top Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Deep Dark Brown. So next, I'm gonna go into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. This is in the color Black, and I'm gonna use this on my bottom lash line. So just to make the bottom lash line like really fiery, I am gonna go into the black and red shadow, and I'm just gonna smudge that along the bottom lash. So for lips, I'm going to go into my Ruby Kisses Maracuja stick. This is in the color Take Me to Paris. So for a highlight on my brow bone, I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture and Jackie Aina Diamond Glow Powder, and this is in the color The Bronze. I'm also going to use this to highlight my face. So that, guys, is the end of the look. I hope that you all really enjoyed this makeup look. Don't forget to like my last video and let me know in the comment section what you guys think. And thank you guys so much for watching.